Hey guys, this is Pragati. How have you all been? It's been so long since I've posted on any videos, and I'm super excited to tell you all that today. In this video I'll be making my very first vision board. I also wanted to do this in past, like when I was in 12th or 11th. I really wanted to try, but I just didn't do it because of laziness. Whatever. So I seriously searched a lot on it. So I didn't really knew about it, but on Insta and Manywhere stuff, it got really famous, like preparing my 2025 vision board. So I thought of giving it a chance this year, and let's see if I can really work on it. So I researched a lot about it before actually executing, as I wanted to know how to make it, why do we make it, does it actually work, or is just some random stuff. So I searched and came to the conclusion that it worked and not also. So I was like, okay, let's do this. So I wrote in a diary what I wanted to do this year to make this year very productive and successful. I made a paragraph, then I made it in a bullet point, finalizing what I really wanted to do this year, as it's my second year, fourth semester, and I'm currently pursuing BCA, Bachelor's in Computer Application, where we study about coding, business, analysis, technology, and many more stuff. It's like studying engineering and business all together. Like, it's a mixed up. You can opt for this, and it's really amazing. People do really go for this. So I printed the pictures up and I got all the pictures from the Pinterest. It was easy to find what I really wanted, adding up with some motivation quotes and many more. And I printed it in small sizes because I didn't have that big chart paper right now with me. I started like all of a sudden. So I printed and cut it in that type of pieces which I could fit on my paper, as it was a long task to do. I had the small piece of paper where I was going to stick my pictures up. So I first made a sample page, and now it's time to glue the pictures up. So I picked one random picture and I started gluing it up. And here I stick my very first picture, and like this I stick. Like, I was very nervous first, but I somehow did it. I was playing nice music in background so that I get a good environment while making this up, to make this be more good and amazing. And I finally finished sticking it up on the paper. I had a little blank wall left above my shelf, so I sticked it over there. I taped it up with paper tape, and this is how it came. It looks cool though. Like, in small I have so many pictures sticked up, and these are the pictures left. I don't have space for them. So here I end up my video of today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I have some super exciting news to give you all, which I will be giving in my next video. Till then, bye.